So we have sent our first campaign, and now let's look into the analytics of it. So by clicking on it, you'll see the analytics board, the overview. There you can see what is the audience to which you sent this email. You can see the open rate of the email and the click if there are any links inside the email, which usually it is how you have an email, you have some kind of call to action inside of it. So this is the test email that we have sent. You can see the information, the percentage, some charts about it, and the emails that have been clicked. Currently we don't have any emails, but if you have different emails, you're able to see all the emails, all the links inside of the this section. You can also see the unsubscribe and the bounce and spam rates. So it is very important for you to keep a low bounce and spam rate, especially the spam is really important to have it pretty much always at 0. That means that somebody has marked your email as spam, which is really bad. So make sure that you have that at 0 if possible. The bounce, this is if somebody is basically not have received their email. Generally that is if the email is not real. This is also important to reduce it. And this one way to make sure that you reduce that is by using the double opt-in, which we discussed. Basically that would verify that the customer actually owns the email. That means that the email is actually real to which you're sending by verifying it before adding it to a list. So this is the overview of the campaign. And then you have the details. The details is basically the person that has received the email and the persons, actually the people that have received and what they have performed. Then you have the preview. The preview is the email that you have actually sent, so it's very easy that you don't forget what exactly you have sent, so that you can then maybe clone the email and use it for, modify it and use it for another campaign, for example, etc. And the unsubscribe tab is actually all the unsubscribed users. Currently we don't have any, as you saw, but if somebody unsubscribed, you'll also be able to see those people there. So these are the campaigns. It's really simple, really easy, and you can see all the campaigns here that have been sent, that are in draft or are being scheduled for sending.